Daddy Len, Mystic, listen Legion Nights. Yeah, real vibes, good music I play. Daddy Len, golden Mystic again. Sweet reggae music, sweet reggae music now, sweet reggae music.
Hey, them I wonder how we do it. Tell them I just love pursue it. That's why we go through it. True love, I don't we have it now. We happy, I know it now. We now happy, don't know where we feel. Run around, me take a drive out, and when we look at the people, them when me greet me, happy say it's true love. Daddy Len, want me tell them true love when me reach. People them happy, just a teach me.
Real music again. Sweet reggae music, sweet reggae music now. Sweet reggae music, the sweetest vibes and flow. Sweet reggae music, what the vibes, feeling nice. Thank God for this life. The whole world I rock, feeling nice.
Hey, there's a higher power, you have to give thanks for everything you have. Even all your brother and your sister and your family. God, when me listen all the music and the flow and all the street look, and me know say, and the music make them a rock and a dance up. Me use it, Daddy Len tell them.
Sweet, cause the sweetest vibes. I said sweet, sweetest vibes. Sweet reggae music, sweetest vibes and flow. Sweet reggae music, sweetest vibes right now. Just a live up this life. Everything is for a time. Yeah, thank you God for this moment in life. Mystic.
Yeah, yo, sometimes it's just a split and a magnum. And you know say we still have fun. It's a split and a magnum. And sometimes we drink some white rum. True reggae music, I got to use it. We use them and school them. Yeah, we know how to use them, turn fool them. Sweet reggae music, I got to use it. Daddy, let's tell them again.
Sweet reggae music, just the sweetest vibes right now.